Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by killing all power, turn off connected equipment and the UPS, then unplug AC input so there's no mains. You must verify the UPS displays no AC, use the multimeter to confirm 0 volts at the output. Once done, remove jewelry, put on insulated gloves and goggles. This prevents shorting and shock. Make sure you have insulated screwdrivers and a labeled container for terminal hardware, and note the battery polarity to avoid reverse connections later. You open the UPS access panel and expose the battery compartment. Do it carefully so nothing shifts. Next, isolate the battery by loosening the negative terminal first with an insulated wrench. This reduces the risk of creating a path to chassis ground. Then loosen the positive terminal while keeping tools insulated and away from other conductive parts. If the manual requires, use a specified discharge resistor to safely bleed residual charge. Never bridge terminals with a tool. You now remove the terminal connectors. Fully back out and lift the negative connector, then the positive, placing bolts and caps into a non-conductive container and labeling them. After removal, sweep the compartment with your eyes and an insulated tool to ensure no loose metal remains. Once confident, close the panel and only reconnect AC after double-checking polarity and torque when reinstalling. If you encounter arcing, smoke, or unexpected voltage, stop immediately and call a qualified technician to avoid injury or equipment loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.